Hey, welcome to my lab. So here's the situation. I'm essential personnel, which is the only reason I'm here. So don't ask me any questions. I'm just here to show you the stuff. If you have any questions, you're supposed to ask your teacher. I heard something about some teachers helping students succeed discussion board. Ask all your questions there. I'm not here for that. I'm just the creepy assistant. So this is what we got going on. You have a lab guide module in your D2L shell. I know it, your teacher told me. So you are going to use that to find your various lab guides. This is a cell. This is a cell on drugs. Any questions? That is the only joke I'm gonna make all semester. That might not be true, but I don't make jokes. I make money. That's a joke too. So anyway, here's the situation, people. On your cell lab, there's a bunch of nonsense about stages of cell division and that you should have done in lab and your gen bio class. So all you need to know from the cell lab for our class is the parts of a cell you can recognize. Again, those are the plasma membrane, pointer, plasma membrane, little tiny purple blobs, opposite it, nuclei. All the pink stuff in there, cytoplasm. What can you find in cytoplasm? I'm not gonna tell you. Yes, I am. It's all of the organelles and the nucleus, of course, but generally you can't see the organelles, you can only see the nucleus. So that's what we're going to see here. It's important for you to recognize cells because you're going to start learning tissues. And what we're looking at here is a tissue with a bunch of different cells in it. I don't care that you're looking at the reflection of my iPhone. We're going to make this work. You'll see. There we go. See it? That's a tissue. There are two tissue types in this larger structure, this fold. We're pointing at the epithelial tissue. It's a simple columnar epithelial tissue, and right below it is connective tissue. And all those dark purple dots are the nuclei. So no, this is not one cell. It's about, I don't know, how many cells do you think are there? This could be like one of those questions. They used to fill like candy jars with gumballs, and whoever guessed the amount of gumballs right got the whole jar and all the gumballs. Like, I don't know. I'm not your teacher, so I can't make any rules, but if it, if I were given points, maybe I'd do something like that. No, I wouldn't. But can you guess how many cells are in this slide? At least 200. So if you come to the lab practical and the pointer is at a place like right there, oh man. Where you say I can't see anything but the reflection on your phone. Right? There. I guess that's plasma membrane is best. I was hoping that I could move it. Don't move. So the professor just walked by and heard me. Said that I was not being a good team player. And that I needed to be a more helpful lab assistant. So I decided to show you some other cell types because what we're looking at right now are two of my favorite cell types. The pointer is on a single skeletal muscle fiber. These cells are huge. They have all these really cool specialized organelles that help you contract. So that'll be lots of fun for you to learn about. The other things are the neurons that are sending the signal to contract, and they're awesome. So both of these cell types can conduct electrical signals. So stimulating, shocking, electrifying. Okay, that's me being helpful. So yeah, like what's the pointer on? One cell, it's a muscle fiber, so that's actually technically on its plasma membrane. Do we see a nucleus of a skeletal muscle cell here? I don't think so. Those enlarged regions that you see on the neuron are called synaptic knobs. They're holding neurotransmitter. You get to learn about all of that later. See you then. The nucleus and the cytosol. So, come on, iPhone. Work with me. Hang on a minute, because Cotton's picking minute, because we're going to point at each of those things. Okay, come on. Let's do this. I know it's operator error. Here we go.